Here is a challenge for the front of the body from head to thighs. Start by anchoring the flexiband and assess the weight of the body and the security of the flexiband. Then begin the exercise by placing the hands behind the head and hinging from the knees. Feel the load working into the thighs and assist the movement by contracting through the abdominals. If you want a further challenge, try extending backwards over the flexiband. Open the chest while maintaining the strength of the legs and trunk.